mining engineering from 1968.
So welcome sir, we welcome you back to college. How does it feel coming back to college?
Yeah, it's my great pleasure to be here.
Good morning. My name is J. Narasimha Reddy, 1968 Mechanical Engineering batch.
Harinath Medi, 1968 batch, Civil Engineering. We made lifelong friendship here.
67 batch. Coming over to here, we have got so much of pleasure which we cannot measure in terms.
It's a great feeling, and this is a place, in fact exactly the place about 50 meters from away, where me and Bhagyalakshmi met for the first time together in 1973, nice. And that's how we started our
OU has given
life.
Much more than memories.
Much
given
more.
Your life. Happy to see all of you. So how does it feel coming back to college? Watching all of this. You've been like 2 years out of college.
Yeah, it's so fun being here. It's like all the memories are back again. Having here, seeing old friends. It's nice. It's nice.
72-75 first entrance batch.
Having you in the camera. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Bhupal.
Kundendu tusharahara dhavala
A warm welcome to Shri Samapant Ram Kishan Rao Garu. He is the guest of honor today.
Good morning to the guest of honor, the senior most boy of this college, Shri Shamapant Kishan Rao Garu. To all my gurus, to all my fellow alumni, students, a warm welcome and good morning.
Mr. Shampant Ram Kishan Rao, the oldest living alumnus of this college, Professor D.C. Reddy, Professor D.N. Reddy, former principals of this college and also former Vice Chancellors, Sri R.V. Rammohan Rao, President of Alumni Association, Dr. D. Vijay Kumar, General Secretary of Association, and distinguished alumni of this great institute, University College of Engineering, Osmania University. Hearty welcome to all of you.
A very good afternoon to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. I see my own teachers, Professor D.V.R. Vittal here and Professor Lakshminarayana here. I'm delighted to see them amongst the audience. It's a wonderful gesture on their part to be with us today.
Not tapping the alumni. Very great people are there, alumni. I think our request the Alumni Association to build up a database, and whenever alumni comes from abroad or within India, they are successful entrepreneurs. Let them talk to students.
Ram Kishan Rao Garu, sir, I am deeply honored to felicitate you on this great occasion. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Rammohan Rao Garu, Dr. Vijay, Professor Ramchandran, Professor D.C. Reddy, Professor D.N. Reddy, and most important, all these colleagues who come from the same college as I do. It's a great pleasure for me to be here. The first time I came into this building was 68 years back. Most important thing I have to say about is, after my education in US and work for a year or so there, the transformation of our knowledge from the book to the field is very bad compared to what it is in those countries. We still stick to the older methods. We don't break from them. This is one field in which I feel that this association can bring in a break. I wish it takes upon itself. I'm wishing you all the best. Thank you.
My Sama, you are my Sama. I like you, my Sama, my Sama, my Sama, my.
బోటనీ పాటముంది మేటనీ ఆట ఉంది దేనికో ఓటు చెప్పరా గల్లవట్టి గుంజుతాంది ఓయు కంపసే లొల్లి పెట్టి సంపుతాంది ఓయు కంపసే కత్తి లెక్క గుంజుతాంది ఓయు కంపసే कोई जो मिला तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों की रुत
काटमरायुडा कदरी नरसिंहुडा शाम शानदार
धिनकड़ाक आजा और के सराट पैरों से
సార్ వీడే సార్ అవునా అరే నువ్వు వెళ్ళింది ఏంటి ఇంటికి ఆడి పిల్లవింటికి సార్
అందరూ నమస్కారం అమ్మ నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం అమ్మ లేకపోతే నేనేమవుతాను నాకే తెలియకుండా తెలియజేసుకున్నాను దయచేసి అర్థం చేసుకోండి